Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about self join. Change the table employee with admin. So admin and now go to structure. Change the column name depart id to created by column select the record and change it with 3, change it with 2. So admin 1 created by admin 1, which means that the id 1 created this record, and let's suppose 1. Admin Fahim Irfan created Numan's record. So what is the query to get the name against this ID? Select all from admin, inner join admin. So first table name is admin, second table is also admin, so give it a temporary name which is admin 1. On clause admin dot id is equal to admin 1 dot created by. So copy the query and execute the query. So admin makes relationship itself. Change it like admin dot id, select admin dot id. Because database is selected, so there is no need to mention database name. Admin dot name, and from second table admin 1 dot name. So copy the query and execute the query. Admin ID Fahim Irfan created by Fahim Irfan. Fahim Irfan created Numan. Fahim Irfan created Steve. Numan created Nadeem. Nadeem created Shujar record. So even you can change it like this. Fahim Irfan created by Fahim Irfan, Numan created by Fahim Irfan, Steve created by Fahim Irfan, Nadeem created by Numan. If you go to look at 1 which is the ID of Fahim Irfan, 2 Nadeem created by Numan created record of Nadeem. So thank you for watching this video.